Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Collision Pucker Tea. So I'm starting off with a little water in my cup, and I'm doing 2 scoops of watermelon prepare. Then I'm adding a 1.5 teaspoons of raspberry tea. I'm adding a lime Liftoff. While that's dissolving, I'm going to put cherry stevia in another cup. And then at the other cup, I'm doing sour apple stevia. I'm going to pack my cup with ice and water, add my Collision Gummies, and then I'm going to pour these at the same time. And that's how you make the Collision Pucker Tea. Thanks for watching.